Good morning. My name is Ali. What is your name?
Good morning, Ali. Nice to meet you. My name is Aisha.
Nice to meet you too, Aisha. Where are you from?
I am from Karachi, Pakistan. And you?
I am from Lahore. What do you do?
I am a software engineer. I work in a private company. What about you?
I am a teacher. I teach English at a school.
That's great. How long have you been teaching?
I have been teaching for 5 years. How long have you been working as a software engineer?
I have been working for about 4 years.
That's wonderful. What are your hobbies?
I like reading books and playing cricket in my free time. What about you?
I enjoy traveling and learning new things.
That sounds interesting. I hope we will become good friends.
Yes, of course. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.